Hello everyone and welcome back. What we're bringing you today is one-of-a-kind vehicle. It's one of 854 actually made by Rolls Royce. It's a 2013 Phantom. Let's go check it out. Our technicians performed a full diagnostic and discovered the vehicle was not starting because the Valvetronic control module was not receiving power. This was due to failure of the power distribution module. So we moved forward by replacing and programming it. In addition, the customer asked to have the vehicle up to date. So we went ahead and performed a full service on the vehicle. So a tiny fun fact about this vehicle is it actually has two engine computers, one that controls the left and one that controls the right. Sounds pretty difficult, isn't it? Luckily for you, there's nothing to worry about because we have all the right equipment here at Prestige Auto Tech to handle all your Rolls Royce needs. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.